Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the count function. The count function is a very simple function. It will just count if a bunch of cells, or a cell that you selected, or even like a batch of cells that contain a number value. So if it's not a number value, it will not count it. So let me show you exactly how. So first of all, we're going to put in some numbers here, 1, 2, and then we just skip this one, and we have 3, 4, we skip again, and then we have C, 5, and we have a D, and the other one, we just put in a space, and we have one we call D number 5. So in total, we only have 5 values, and we have some other values here between that should not be taken by the count. Let's start with that. So once we did the count, open parentheses, and then now we can start to select the value. So what we'll do is we just select this entire batch. We just close this and enter, and you can see it starts to understand there's only 5 values here. This is really useful for analyzing quickly if you have maybe some wrong input for a number. For example, you have a phone number and someone's using letters in there, or some specific characters, which starts to impact the formula. Very useful tool. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link below, and in there we have a wonderful Excel course which you can access for free by clicking on the link.